Welcome to Create, Cook, and Talk. I'm Chantai.
I'm Kaitlyn.
What are we cooking today?
Today we're making cookie cake.
Ooh, for someone's birthday.
Yes,
Ooh.
Brittney's special day.
Brittney's special day. Who's Brittney?
I'll say there.
Your sister. And we also have a special guest.
And a special guest.
Please welcome Kaitlyn. Kaitlyn's all the way from Michigan. Mm-hmm. She's down here for spring break, so we'll give you a little.
It's cold in Michigan, so
be aware. Your beautiful hair. I'm sorry. Okay. We'll put this on you, and then tell us a little bit about spring break.
Yes.
Where are you going to college?
I go to college at Alma College.
Woo!
Yeah.
Okay. You've been laying in the sun.
I have been laying in the sun. I'm a little burned, but
she's good. Okay. But we're not going to burn the cake. No, not the cookie. Kaitlyn. I'm always going to mess it up because Brittney's best friend is named Kaitlyn. But Kaitlyn is our cousin down from Michigan. And while she's doing that, I'm going to share some fun facts about the cookie cake. Did you know, Kailee, that it was invented by two guys, Michael and Arthur, in the 1970s? They wanted a big cookie, so they used their grandmother's recipe and made a big, put it all on one.
Wow.
She's like, we're doing it, made a big cookie cake. Wow. And did you know that first birthday cakes, a long time ago in Germany, kids got special cakes for their birthday. They called them Kinderfest.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Kinderfest. Woo! All right, so how you doing?
good.
Okay.
It looks pretty good.
It looks pretty good. Okay, so we're going to pop it in the oven at 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. You kind of have to watch it. Brittney, our Brittney loves it gooey in the middle. So not gooey, but soft.
She likes chocolate.
She likes chocolate chips. She likes the dough more than the cookie, right? So,
but she'll eat that.
Yeah,
so be careful, guys. Make sure don't eat the cookie dough, okay?
But Brittney likes to eat the cookie dough.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to cook it. So for 12 to 15 minutes in the oven, and then we'll see you in a minute. Okay, we're going to start checking it at 12 just to make sure that it's not, that it is cooking and it's not too cooked, so it can still be gooey. Okay, so the cake is done now. We pulled it out and we let it cool. We didn't let you guys see all of that, but you obviously have to let it cool so that it will. You can cake.
Cookie, like a pancake.
Okay, so we're gonna decorate it. So I'm gonna teach you how to decorate it. We made 3 colors, right? Green, purple, yellow, which could be for Mardi Gras or it could be for St. Patrick's Day, right?
Yeah,
it's coming up. Okay, so what color? Who wants to start? You want to start? You want to do green?
Yes.
Okay, this is gonna be a little tricky. Now these are frosting bags that you don't have to, you can just buy. I bought them at Michael's, and then you twist them and you can cut them off and you don't have to have a tip. And we're just gonna make little swirls around the edges, make it decorative. You can be really fancy, but since Kailee and I are doing it together, we just figured we'll do it. It'll still look fancy, right?
Yes.
Okay, stop for 1 minute. Let's turn it. Okay. Keep going. Yep. Can you see what you're doing?
Yeah. I'm the artist.
You are. Okay, we'll just calm down a little bit with your arse swirlies. What are we making? Curly cues, right?
Yeah.
Into loops?
All right. Oh, it's like we're making for the dog.
Like for the dog?
No, you know the pepper thing we do?
Oh, yeah. They don't know about that yet. Okay, okay, that's that one. Now we're going to let Kaitlyn do the next color. Kaitlyn, what color?
Purple.
Okay.
Same color, Kaitlyn.
Now I'll just squeeze it down there for you. All right, Kaitlyn, I'm going to let you do it yourself. I'm cutting this too, you guys. I'm cutting the tip away from everything because the little plastic things fly. So, okay, so now you have to hold that tight and then you twist that part up and then you just start right next to it, however you want to do it. Twist it, yep. There you go. Have you ever decorated a cake before?
Yes, I did. For my parents' birthday this year. That was the first time I've ever done it.
Did you frost it like this? Did you use like a bag?
Yeah, I did use a bag.
Oh, good for you. So you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Want me to turn it for you?
Yeah.
Oh, so she's an expert. That's good. You're doing a great job. See, it even looks prettier than the little tips, right?
Yes.
What do you think, Miss Kay?
I like it.
Yeah, I like those colors. Brittney likes those colors. She picked them. Twirl it again for you.
You did a good job.
I don't think we did was do how are we going to do happy birthday in the middle?
Maybe we could put yellow on it.
Yellow on the inside?
Yeah.
Okay. Voila, very nice. You are so good. You can do the next one. Woohoo!
Okay.
I'm off duty.
It's for my birthday.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll do the happy birthday. Can you do happy birthday? You can do the happy birthday. Okay. 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 Woo, she really knows what she's doing, Kay, huh?
Wow.
Now we know. Now we're going to tell your family you can just make all the cakes. Have you ever made a cookie cake like this before?
No, I have not.
Did you know to do it like that?
No.
Now she's like,
Now I know.
Now I know. Now
I'm going to make it.
Now you got college parties. You can go for it, right? I'll bring the cake. Look how simple it is. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't
No,
turn it.
you're okay. You're okay.
It's like mustard, doesn't it, Kay? Here, come over here, Miss Kay. Okay, so I had this happy birthday from some other birthday party, so we can put that in the center. Like this. Okay, now you got, oh, look, we look professional. Okay, so now do you guys want to put anything else around the edges, or you just want to decorate it with sprinkles?
I want probably do more icing.
Where do you want to do more icing? Little spots?
Yeah.
Okay, with different colors?
Yeah.
It's going to be a little messy, though. Okay, just go ahead. Let's work together, because that's going to be a little bit much. Okay. Like little dots?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Did you want to do a different color, or want Kaitlyn to try? Or...
I want Kaitlyn to try.
You want me to try? Okay. What color should I do?
Do purple.
Purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
The purple color.
Okay.
Oh, purple's her favorite color. Yes. Very nice. You're a little pro there. Look at that. She knows exactly what she's doing. You know, I think your grandpa worked in a bakery.
He did. He did.
My uncle, her grandfather.
Yeah, Uncle Connie.
Uncle Connie worked in a bakery when they were.
Wow.
There you go. Okay, it's looking good. I think you need a little yellow now to keep going.
Do you want to do the yellow, Kaylee?
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys can do it together.
You want to grab the bottom and I pull the top for you? Oh, hold on. There we go. All right.
She is a pro. I love it. What do you think? Beautiful, you guys. You're really doing a great job.
Tell my cousin I love her.
I love you too, Kaylee.
Yeah, shout out to our Michigan family. Woohoo!
Okay.
Okay, now you guys can. Now, I think we need to be gentle with the sprinkles, Miss Kaylee. I don't know what colors you guys want to use, so I'm gonna let you guys decorate it now. It's up to you.
Okay. What color?
But you have a spoon if you want to use a spoon, or you can pinch it like salt.
Pinch it like salt.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Rainbow sprinkles it is. I'm gonna go get around the edges. There you go.
Ooh, it's looking
Fancy.
pretty.
Okay.
Oh, very nice, you guys. Ooh, and who is this for? Brittney?
Yeah.
She's your what? Your older sister?
Yes.
Ah. We won't say how old she is because then she might cry.
Don't tell her.
Don't tell her how old she is.
But I don't want she's going to cry.
Yeah. I'm going to cry too, so don't tell her how old I am. 24, right? All right, cool. All right, well, what do you guys think?
I like it.
I love it.
Look at that.
This is all the cake we make for Brittney's birthday. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up or give us a link if you like our video. I'm on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you, Kim, for all your help.
Yeah, thank you for asking me. That was great. Create Cooking Talk, encourage learning by creating them, and we'll see you next time. Bye.